like she's half-half, di ba?
Exactly, she's... Yeah, she's half French.
Pero yung preference mo, let's not talk about Carla. Gusto mo
Pinoy
yung
or-
puro o...
For me, it doesn't matter. For me, it could be Pinoy or foreigner, just as long as
Love.
I feel the connection.
You.
I feel I'm Pinoy at heart, so I would prefer Filipina.
Pinay. Morena.
Morena.
Morena talagang hinahanap.
Oh, pasok ka na.
Pasok!
Correct.
We're playing a game.
One by one kayo magpo-pose. Okay? Tapos yung mga girls magja-judge. Tapos, okay, kung sinabi niya na may choice kiss, hug, or kiss sabay hug.
Depende sa performance ng boy, sasabihin ng
Kung
girls,
kissable ba?
kiss ba ito?
Huggable or sabay?
pareho?
So let's do it alphabetically with their last names.
John Avila. Galit.
He knows how to emote.
Yeah. Tapos nakita mo ang crush mo.
With me, we could take a trip to the hood. It's no problem, girl, it's my city. I could take you there. Little people, guns only 15, no ministry.
Aba, nauna na. O girls, ano ang inyong judgment?
Kiss sabay hug. Oh, winner.
Oh.
Tapos siya kanya kiss.
Yes.
Two. On
If I ask
next.
girls, do you understand Tagalog, girls? Okay,
Yes,
there.
next. Go, Jake.
Game. Galing mag-emote talaga ni James. Wow.
My favorite song.
Yes. In front of the camera. How do you do it?
Yeah. He loves to do that. I don't know why.
Lovely.
Yupi.
React.
Hug ka lang. Hala. Oh.
Yun. Alam mo, si Bettina, laging kiss sabay hug, ha? Hindi nagbabago ang kanyang judgment. Sige. Okay, Jay? Hug, kiss, and... Si Bettina, ready na, oh. Si Bettina po galing Amsterdam, hindi pala galing Sweden. Okay.
Go, Rafi.
Rafi.
Here we go, here we go.
Nagkakagulo na po ang ating staff dito sa Fernwood Gardens. Okay. Girls. Alam mo si Bettina, hindi nagbabago, ha?
Panalo.
Panalo lagi. Okay, alam ko na ang dahilan kung bakit si Bettina nag-judge.
John James.
You know, I really like his pants.
Okay.
Kanina pa ako naka-stare. Ang ganda talaga.
John James.
He has a very charming smile.
Girls.
Kiss lang.
Kiss. Si Bettina hindi talaga nagbago.
Obviously, ang winner natin, Rafael Rosel.
Yes.
Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you.
Okay, umpisa pa lamang po yan. Kaibigan, magbabalik po ang Boy!
And Chris.
Nagbabalik po dito Boy and Chris, kaibigan. Rafi, pag pinag-uusapan yung halimbawa, mga bahagi ng iyong katawan, what are you...
Mukha muna. Mukha. What do you like best in your face?
My teeth.
Oo nga naman.
Di ba nag-close up ka?
Yeah, I did a commercial.
Yes. You. Anong pinakagusto mo?
Face.
I have to say my nose.
Me too. I love your nose.
I think it's my nose.
Kung maglilihi ako ulit, paglilihan ko yung ilong niya, ang ganda boy ng shape. Go, gano'n ka. Di ba boy, ang ganda?
That's true. John James.
Winner.
I don't know if I can, if it's the smile or like the
May dimples
nose.
siya eh.
I don't
Oo
know.
nga. I
At
think it's a
teeth.
smile
Magandang
also.
ngipin niya rin.
Ganda.
You.
Right. John.
My teeth.
Teeth talaga. Asset talaga. Sa katawan, John, what are you
Ako
proudest of?
skin niya.
Okay. Sa katawan, what are you proudest of?
My legs.
Legs.
See? Tayo, tingnan natin.
Totoo. Ikaw, John James, sa katawan.
I don't know, maybe arms, just arms.
I was about to say that kanina yung tinanggal niya yung jacket. Anong tawag mo yung sa cut dito?
Triceps.
Jake, ikaw.
Sa akin, siguro dati abs ko, but now I'm still working on it. So, I'm working on it
Nawala
for
yung
bench
abs.
fashion.
Drawing
Babalik
na lang
naman.
ngayon eh.
Hindi. Gagawin ko, pagdating sa bench fashion show, I'll be
Promise
ready. My
ah.
abs,
Kasi
I'll be
sayang,
ready.
2 years ago, maganda. And then,
Right.
last year, you had
Yeah,
reveal.
medyo
So this
taba.
year, kailangan bawi.
Yeah, babawi talaga ako.
Rafi, ikaw.
My buttocks.
Let's see.
I'm most proud.
Sabi niya eh, tingnan natin.
Right.
May shape ba?
That's
Ako, shoulders mo ang maganda.
Thank you.
Ako, abs.
There's
If you were to
talaga.
change one part of your body, ano yun?
My ankles.
Bakit?
Kasi natapilok na ako dati. So it's been a problem ever since.
Weak
So
na.
tinitiis ko na lang.
Ikaw?
I have to say my shoulder kasi my shoulder
They broke.
since palos kasi medyo sa dami ng fights na-injure siya eh. So if I just change it, I'd probably get gusto ko mas sturdy na shoulders.
John James, ikaw.
I think my legs, because they're too thin, I think for...
Gusto mo mas ano?
Yeah.
Alright. John, ikaw.
Paa. Kasi
Paa.
pangit eh.
Why?
Talaga?
I used to commute to work and I used to wear like
Ikaw?
shoes medyo maliit sa akin. So my feet are a bit damaged from commuting to work.
So you have like bunions or no naman?
May bunions.
Ay. Anyway, ikaw, anong pinaka-importanting feature ng lalaki para sa'yo, sa opinion mo?
Ako yung lips.
Bakit?
Parang pag kissable yung lips, parang, ay, iba talaga yung dating. Red lips, parang feeling mo talaga clean living siya, hindi siya nag-yossi.
Ano yung
Ang sarap
pinakaayaw
halikan.
mo pagdating sa features sa libaw ng lalaki?
Yung maikli yung ano, ang tawag dito.
Short legs?
Short legs.
Okay. May game tayo ngayon, Christy.
Yeah, ito na.
Di ba? Alright.
The biggest and the smallest.
At saka si Kit Kat gets to kiss doon sa cover boy na mali ang kasagutan.
In the NBA daw, Shaquille O'Neal has the biggest feet. What size ang feet ni Shaq?
Sinong sasagot?
Whoever, kung sino may alam.
15.
Size?
15. Ikaw, Jake?
15, maliit pa yun. Si James, 15 na eh.
Okay,
Bigger.
sandali. Ay, wala
19.
nang change. 18. Ikaw?
21.
21.
18.
Oh, I'm sorry?
Mali.
Ako.
Oh. Tinignan mo na eh. You're such a cheater.
Nasilip ko.
Size 23.
Is that possible? 23?
Yes. Well, he's 7 feet 2. Alam mo, nakasabay ko siya sa elevator. I made it up to his belly button, I think. At the Four Seasons in Beverly Hills. Ang laki
Sa
ng...
LA.
Grabe talaga.
23?
Yeah. May teammate si James ngayon. You'll meet him, si Reda.
Yes.
He is 7 feet and 18, 19 ang paa niya.
Grabe.
So it's really
At dahil hindi
possible.
nyo nakuha ang kasagutan, Kit Kat, you can
Mali
kiss
kayo
them.
lahat.
Okay.
Dapat lagi kayong mali.
Yan ang punishment. Ay, Kat, kukuha ka pala dyan kung anong body part ang ikikiss mo.
Ay, nakis ko na
Mamaya
sila.
na sa second question
Sa
na.
next.
Okay,
Oh.
next.
Sino pinakamaliit na NBA player?
Okay.
Boykins.
Ang galing mo,
Yes.
Jim! Earl Boykins.
So, sino ang parurusahan?
5'7".
Oh, kumuha ka. Kit Kat.
So, ano?
No, except for Jake. Jake got the answer. Okay. Kuha ka ng isa.
Tapos choose ka na lang.
Consequence. Pili ka na lang kung sino.
Tenga ni Rafi ang kikiss
Tenga.
mo.
Sino ang
Saya.
kikiss mo sa tenga? Sino?
Rafi.
Ay, nako ha. Okay, go.
So kissable
Go.
talaga.
Ayan. Ako tong Kit Kat na to. Okay.
Ano
Next
ang
question.
smallest continent? Smallest
Go.
continent.
Australia.
Wow,
Ang galing mo.
got it.
You're so galing.
Oh, pili ka, bilis. Bilisan natin. Okay.
Can you
Mali
imagine?
talaga kayo, ah.
Australia smaller than Antarctica. Galing, no?
Body part.
Batok.
Nino.
Jake.
Go. Alam mo, bato. Kit Kat.
Saya naman ang buhay niya.
Saya ng buhay. Next question.
Sinamsa.
What is the biggest amusement park in the entire world?
Disney World.
Where?
Galing. Disney World,
Orlando.
Florida.
Florida.
Given na yun, boy.
Ang Disney
Disney
World.
World is in Florida. Ang galing nilang dalawa.
So, sabay sila. Okay.
So, either of the two lang.
Shoulders.
On.
Dahil maganda yung shoulders mo ni John James.
John James.
Ay, alam mo, lalagyan ka ng makeup. Pwede sa mga...
Sa loob? Ay, over ka na. Awan na.
Oo, okay. Next question.
What's the smallest country in the world?
Vatican.
Ang galing mo, Jake. Fairness sa'yo.
Oh, next. Get.
Nagpapamali talaga sila. Leeg.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Si,
right.
ngayon, ano?
Leeg.
Leeg. Kanino?
John.
John Avila. Leeg. Naku, Kit Kat, ha?
At dahil dyan, tapos na tayo. Kasi lahat sila nahalikan mo na, over ka na.
Oo. Galing, no? Goes to show our movie stars, our young actors today are smart.
It has a lot to do. I think your knowledge comes from, because of the internet talaga.
Ang cable. Totoo. Maraming salamat.
Kaya niya sinasabi in cable kasi hindi siya marunong mag-computer. Or, kaloka.
Okay.
It's
Bakit?
about time.
I am learning. I'm starting to learn now.
It's taking you 3 years.
No, it will take me 3 weeks.
Okay.
Magbabalik po ang boy!
Chris.